I'm Peter Ferguson. I'm the Director of Business Development at Advanced Farm. Advanced Farm engineers and builds robotic harvesters for picking strawberries and apples and other tree fruit. In California, we grow lots of fruits and vegetables, but labor is becoming tighter and tighter. It's becoming more expensive, and at the same time, customers are demanding more and more food as population grows, as people turn to healthier options. And so farmers are seeking relief from machinery that can help supplement their current labor. We are building robots that can help farmers have a more sustainable supply of labor and have long-lasting solutions to many of the issues they're facing. We currently have 16 robotic strawberry harvesters that are under commercial contracts here in California, serving several of the largest grower shippers. We also have 2 robotic apple harvesters that we have deployed to Washington State. The productivity of our machines has continued to rise over time. You know, when a lot of our early engineers talk about when they first went out to the field and they saw the machine pick a couple of berries over the course of a day, now the machines are reliably picking night and day, multiple shifts, and so a farmer will show up in the morning and already thousands and thousands of berries have been picked. In terms of unit productivity, our robotic strawberry harvesters are averaging well over 1,000 berries per hour that they're able to pick, and our robotic apple harvesters, after one season, are following close behind. As we've started to deploy our machines on farms, we've deployed them in fleets of at least 3 working side by side with a single human operator. That's the model we'll continue to implement as the fleet size grows. We will deploy 3, 6, 10 machines, and as there's only 1 or 2 human operators, we're able to cut head count. And so that model's worked really well, and we expect that to go across the different crops that we work on. That's a great question. In order to replace labor, it's important that we're able to match the cost of human labor, and we're also able to pick a high enough percentage of the fruit on the ranch in order to cut out the labor required. So as we've started the company and had our initial trials, generally farmers have had 3 or 4 machines on their ranch. Later this year, we'll start to have farmers with more machines on their ranch, and we'll be able to cut out a significant portion of the labor. We're really happy with the progress we've made. We really believe we have the best team in ag tech, that we're in the best market in ag tech, and that we have the best technology for this market. When we first started picking strawberries, it took us a few years to figure out the right technology that we needed to use. We ended up building our own arms, our own cameras, developing a lot of software. And fortunately, we've been able to reuse that same technology platform as we've gone into apples. Now, this year, we're also going to do trials in peaches and plums. We expect to be able to use our technology to do many tasks in farms and agriculture and to be able to provide robotic solutions to many of the problems facing farmers. We recognize there's a global market for the solutions that we're building. There's over $40 billion spent harvesting strawberries and tree fruit worldwide. As we continue to make progress in the west coast of the United States, we are excited to go global.